Hi there, my name is Tim Lee. Welcome to Legacy Studio. Not technically, I'm actually in Billings, Montana. I'm shooting a documentary right now for Power for Abundant Recovery. They hired me several months ago to come out and shoot this. My good friend Jason Laird introduced me to Mark McManus, who's the person in charge here, and we've been incredible working together, creating something truly amazing, a feature film documentary that I'll be very excited to share with you very soon. We'll be wrapping on it in a little bit. Now you're going, Tim, I thought you were the caricature guy. It's a good guess. I am actually. I am the caricature guy. I'm also known as the kingpin of caricatures, as we jokingly call me these days. I have two upcoming events that you need to know about, one good, one not so good. First is the Lewis and Clark Festival. I'm going to be selling caricatures on Saturday, June 22nd from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Come on out, come see me. Caricatures will be roughly $20, $25 to start and go up from there. Finalizing pricing as we speak. And then, of course, come on out, have fun, bring the kids. It's all prices per person, and I'll look forward to drawing you over there. It's always beautiful out there. There's some incredible stuff that they do. They're both on Friday and on Saturday, so make sure to check them out for all the events they're doing out there. But I'll specifically be out there on Saturday from 9 to 4. And then, of course, usually we talk about some other events that I would usually be going to, but I have some bad news, and that's that I will not be going to the Augusta Rodeo. We had every intention of being out there. We had planned to be out there for 3 days, had some things lined up, but they fell through the cracks, lack of communication, and unfortunately, I will not be going there this year. I deeply apologize if you were looking forward to getting caricatures from me out there. Get a hold of me. I'll work something out. We'll make sure you get a caricature anyway, one way or another, okay? Thank you so very much for all your incredible support of my business, whether you're buying video work, whether you're buying caricatures. Just thank you for letting me be a creative and use my talents in a way that honors God and lets me bless you guys the way that I was built to. That means a lot to me. And it's because you guys spend time and you support local, you support creatives like me to help get your stuff done. And that means the world to guys like me. So thank you so very much, and I'll look forward to seeing you. You can see more details about pricing on my website, legacystudioproductions.net, or you can go to timleecaricatures.com. That'll take you directly to the caricature side of my website, and just take a look at my event calendar for more details on the Lewis and Clark Foundations. I get foundation and I get festival mixed up in my head because I'm ADHD and dyslexic, and they both kind of just go like that. So just go look at my website and find details on the Lewis and Clark Festival. They're all up there, and I'll see you there from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. I will be taking cash and credit card, preferably credit card because it's just easier with cell phones these days. And thank you so very much. I'll see you there, and I'll get you drawn up. I'm going to go because I'm talking way too much.